Hi guys, if iPhone Bluetooth is not connecting, then here's the fix. The very first fix is if you have a device and you're trying to connect through Bluetooth mode, first of all, just make sure that device is in pairing mode. So I have this Sony headphone. You may have any other device. So just Google it, how to put your device in pairing mode. In my case, I have to just, long press on this and keep it pressed until it goes into the pairing mode. Okay, so this is very important. First of all, put your other device in pairing mode if you are connecting that device for the very first time. The second thing is just go to settings and go to Bluetooth, tap on it, and if you have put your this other device in pairing mode, you will be able to see that if your Bluetooth is turned on. If it is off, turn it on, and if you can see it, just tap on it to connect it. The second method is just toggle down the control center and tap on the volume icon and make sure it is connected to the correct device. Okay, if it is connected to iPhone, then the volume output will not be going to that device. So make sure it is selected to the correct device. So what you have to do, you have to just toggle down the control center, tap on this volume icon and make sure it is connected to the right device. Now the second thing is just go to settings, okay, and tap on this information icon and tap on forget this device. Okay, tap on forget device. Okay, and now again put your device in the pairing mode, and once you again see that device, connected again. Okay, so this is also one of the method. Try forgetting it and again put that device in pairing mode and try to connect it again. Now if this is also not working, then what you can do, you can try resetting the Bluetooth device. So in my case, this is a Sony WHCH520, my model number. So I'll try to Google it, that how to reset it, and now the first search result takes me to here, which says that plug it into the USB cable to charge and then press the volume plus and minus buttons at the same time while this USB cable is still connected, and it will got reset. After I reset, again try to connect it to the Bluetooth device and your issue will be resolved. Now if this is also not working, try turning off the Bluetooth. Okay, wait for few seconds and turning it on again and see whether it works or not. If you want to fix this issue, the next thing is try to forget and try to disconnect that your phone from the other device. Okay, so let's say this is my car and I have my iPhone connected with my car. So try to disconnect, okay, and then try to connect it again, okay, and then see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and try to support us.